Okay, folks, it's time to do another unboxing of comics for the shop this week. And I'm going to start with Penguin Random House because that is a small order and the Lunar one is huge. So for Penguin, we've got 2 mailers and a box. First mailer, daintily packaged, invoice, package slip thingy. One comic, and that one comic is Sabretooth. Dead Don't Talk number 5. I feel like maybe I missed that or it was damage replacement or something. I don't know. Possibly not new this week. I don't remember. Plus, that mailer came a little bit before the other ones, too. And next mailer. Package slip invoice thingy. Well, daintily packaged copies of Last Ronin 2. Revolution number 5. So there's that. And there's a little corner ding on that one. Nothing too bad. I'll still sell it if anyone wants to buy it. Weird how nobody's buying these Last Ronin comics from the shop. I'm down to ordering 2 copies, and that was the hot thing. Okay, time for the box. Well, pack slip invoice thingy. Box inside a box, paper all around. In other news, I just read online that the people that bought Diamond have backed out of the agreement for this Diamond Comics distribution. So we are waiting to see who is going to take over Diamond. And they said it was a very well-known entity. So anyways, Ultimate Spider-Man number 16. They also said it would be business as usual, which is not promising for anything. More Ultimate Spider-Man number 16. Fantastic Four number 31. Got a lot of these. Fantastic Four is popular right now. Part of the One World Under Doom storyline. Crossover thing. Wolverine Kitty Pryde number 1. Let's take a look inside of this sucker. It's number 1. It is $3.99. Very flimsy cover. But look, it's written by Chris Claremont. That's a really good chance that it's awesome. Maybe not. Sometimes he misses, but art looks okay. So, anyways, Wolverine Kitty Pryde, written by Chris Claremont. Heck yeah. Weapon X-Men number 3. I got 3 of those. Red Hulk number 3. It's got Deathlock, Machine Man. Somebody else in the background. Oh no, it's another Weapon X-Men. Number 3. That's too many. Rogue in the Savage Lands. Rogue the Savage Land. Number 4. And these sell. I've been selling these. I mean, but why would they not? I mean, come on. Okay. Doom Academy number 3. Rogue the Savage Land number 4. J. Scott Campbell variant. Thunderbolts Doomstrike number 3. Doom's Division number 2. Maybe there's more of those. Nope. Juggernaut #1. Did I just get 2 of them? That ain't right. Although it is probably because it's $7. Let's give it a tappy. Listen to that tappy. There's no cover on this comic. That is same as the, listen to it. Listen to it. Same. Here's the art. No, it is thicker. Here's the art in Juggernaut #1. So there's that. Star Wars High Republic. Fear of the Jedi #3. TVA, the Time Variance Authority #5. Star Wars, The Rise of Skywalker #3. I only got 2 of those. Well, maybe I should have gotten more. I should have gotten more of that. Anyhow, here's Fantastic Four variant. Is it Fantastic Four? Yes, it actually is Fantastic Four. #31, not 173. And that is the Disney Mickey Mouse variant. Here's Ultimate Spider-Man #16 variant. I'm assuming that's Ultimate Mysterio. Who else would it be? Here's Fantastic Four #31 Marvel Universe variant. And last from the Penguin we have the Saturday morning variant for Fantastic Four #31. At least it's got Herbie the Robot, because that's how we used to do Saturday morning with the Fantastic Four. Saturday morning cartoons. All right. Now on to this giant, heavy box from Lunar. My goodness. What a box. Okay. So we've got 2 boxes inside the box with nothing on this side, but it's got bubbles all the way around. I think that'll be fine. We'll see. Now, since it's so much, I mean, my orders from Lunar aren't this big, so there's probably going to be some free comic book day stuff in here, which is, that's this weekend. So if it's the case, then we're cutting it close. Again, free comic book day. Go to your local comic shop. They'll give you some free comics. Be nice of you if you bought something. Anyway, here's packing slip invoice thingy, and it did say some free comic book day stuff on there. Had someone ordered this. So we have this Walking Dead Compendium, Volume 1. These still sell pretty well. People are starting to gravitate towards the compendiums instead of the trade paperbacks. Okay, off we go. Nacellaverse, The Great Garlu #0. Blank variant with the regular cover inside. That one's for me. I like The Great Garlu, although I've never had the toy. I want one. This does not say Free Comic Book Day on it, but it's a bundle of Great Garlu #0s. That's pretty awesome. Oh, it could have been one of those bundle deals. They do those bundle deals. We'll see. DC Connect. That's your catalog. Go to your comic shop, get your DC Connect. If you pre-order the DC comics from that, your retailer will love you, I promise. Especially if you pick them up and pay for them. Planet Earth #0, Bad Idea. This also not Free Comic Book Day. That feels really light, which means it's on newsprint. I'm sure it's on newsprint. It does have a cover price. What does that say? $3.99? $1.99. Nice. I see some Free Comic Book Day. I don't see anything that says. Huh. I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. I'll try to figure it out later. You know, as I'm opening these boxes and stuff, I've never seen this stuff before. It's my shipment. I'm unboxing, so if I don't know something and I need to know it, I'll go figure it out after the video. So anyway, Transformers number 19. I had somebody calling me for that. It just came out, I guess, I'm assuming. Mark Spears Monsters, number 4. This is cardstock. Tabby tabby. A Joker, Batman Killing Joke tribute cover. Speaking of tribute covers, Mark Spears Monsters number 4. Clearly a tribute to Spider-Man 300. The Amazing variety of Spider-Man. And another stack. Mark Spears Monsters number 4. This is a variant. Cardstock. Tabby tabby. Is this one cardstock? Even tabby? Yes, it is. No regular cover inside, so we'll have to figure out which one's the regular. I think it's this one. All right. 421, 411. I think this is the regular cover. Yes, 4A. Does that mean regular? I don't know. I don't care. Question all along the Watchtower, number 6. Void Rivals, number 18. Detective Comics 2025 annual. Did I just get 2 of those? What's wrong with me? Okay, anyhow, I have subscribers. I need to do better. Very flimsy cover. $5.99 cover price. We'll take a look inside. It is quite thick. Art looks pretty good for the most part. Hopefully there's more of those in there. Batman The Long Halloween, last Halloween, number 7 of 10. That's a good cover. I like it. Batman Superman World's Finest, number 1. The invoice says I ordered 4 copies of Detective Comics, by the way, which is the correct answer. So hopefully the other 2 are in here. G.I. Joe Real American Heroes Silent Missions Duke, number 1. We'll take a look inside that, even though all of these are number 1s. So there's your art in Silent Missions Duke. Here's another one of these. And 2 more of those. And that's the hot thing right now is the Mark Spears Monsters. So I've been ordering them. I don't know if anyone's buying them. So here's Great Garloo number 0. What is going on here? That appears to be a variant. I guess. I don't know. The Marvelous Human Fly number 4. Let's take a look at this. I mean, I know it's number 4, but it's cardstock. Tappy tappy. $4.95 cover price. We ain't gonna look inside. More questioning all along the Watchtower. Somebody screwed up something. Okay. We're taking everyone down with us. Number 2. Defenders of the Earth, number 6. And then the variant cover. Image Scene, number 7. That's the image catalog. Power Company, number 1. I just got 2 of these because they were expensive. $5.99 cover price. So there's the art. It is quite thick. It has a cover. Not cardstock, but it's a cover nonetheless. Power Company. The Power Company Recharged. Number 1. Facsimile edition of More Fun Comics number 73. This is newsprint inside. Oh. Yeah. Oh, here's the other 2 Detective Comics annuals. So, real quick before I open the other box, I'm going to see how many copies of The Question I ordered, because I got 4. It says I ordered 3. So, something's wrong. We'll figure it out. Bet they shorted me something. Oh, this box is heavy. Okay, this is the second box that was inside the box. So far, no noticeable significant damage. Bubble wrap this stuff, and here we go. It's all Free Comic Book Day. The Phantom. Free Comic Book Day, The Phantom. Free Comic Book Day, Speed Racer number 0. And Post Malone's Big Rig. Free Comic Book Day, and I got a bunch of those. Maybe I overdid it. I just feel like that's going to be something people want. I don't know. Post Malone, is he still popular? He was popular, right? So I got a bunch. I got 2 bundles, 3 bundles. So there's that. So let's see. Yep, that's correct. Okay, so that's it. That's what we got. Come back around on this Saturday. Go to your local comic shop. Hopefully that's us. Get you some free comics on Free Comic Book Day. Try to buy something. They'll probably be having a sale trying to get you to spend some money. It's a pretty big deal. That's our big, that's the big day for retailers, comic retailers. So you want to go help them out. If you want to support your local comic shop, that is the time to do it. And it's even more make or break for me specifically, Free Comic Book Day, because this is a college town. Virginia Tech is nearby. And a lot of my customers are students. And in about a week after Free Comic Book Day, they're going to leave for the summer. So, not all of them, but a large percentage of my customers leave for the summer. If I don't see them on Free Comic Book Day, it means, if they haven't picked up the books in a while, I'm canceling them. I get to talk to them and see if they're going to stick around. So it's a big deal. I get to promote comics to maybe some locals or some students who are sticking around. So maybe I won't go completely bankrupt over the summer. So anyways, that's what we're doing. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.